house sits and it's the smash because vibrations vibrates the